Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set tabs every 5 space in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to set tabs every 5 space. Go to the text box inside and go to the paragraph settings option, and we can see here open a window, then go to the tab settings, then select the tabs tool. Now I want to 5 space, then write 5, then click OK, then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard, and we can see we make these tabs every 5 space very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.